Are you tired of missing your favorite movies or TV shows just because you're not home? Or maybe you want to watch them again at your convenience. Well, with the right setup on your smart TV, you can easily record all the shows and movies you want to catch later. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to record content on your LG Smart TV so you never miss a moment. Alright, before we dive into the steps, let's go over a few things you'll need. Most smart TVs don't come with a built-in recording feature by default, so you'll need either an external USB drive or an external recording device. We'll cover both options and some tips on how to set them up. First option, using a USB drive. First up, let's talk about using a USB drive. Many smart TVs allow you to plug in a USB drive to record directly onto it. Here's how you can set that up. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Plug in your USB drive. Insert a USB drive with at least 16 GB of storage into the designated USB slot on your smart TV. Remember, a larger drive means more space for recording. 2. Format the drive. Some TVs will automatically prompt you to format the USB for recording. If it doesn't, go to your TV's settings, find the Storage and Reset menu, and format it from there. This step prepares the drive for recording. 3. Open the recording function. On most smart TVs, you'll find an option to record in the Guide or EPG Electronic Program Guide menu. Navigate to the show you want to record and look for a record button or option. 4. Schedule a recording. Some TVs allow you to schedule recordings for future shows. Just select the program, choose record, and it'll start when the program airs. Second option, using an external DVR or streaming box. Now, if you have an external DVR or a compatible streaming box, the setup is pretty similar but with a few added features. Here's what to do. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Connect your DVR. Plug the DVR into your TV using an HDMI cable. If it's a streaming box, connect it as you normally would. 2. Navigate to the TV guide. Most DVRs come with their own guide where you can browse shows and movies. Use the remote to find the program you want to record. 3. Select Record. Choose the Record option on the screen or in the Guide menu. If it's a live show, you can start recording immediately or schedule it for a later time. 4. Check storage capacity. DVRs have a set amount of storage. Make sure you keep an eye on it so you don't run out of space. If you need more, some models allow you to expand storage with an external drive. Bonus alternative options. Another option is to use streaming services with built-in download or DVR-like features. Some services let you download content to watch offline or even offer a cloud DVR option, which stores recorded content in the cloud instead of on your TV. YouTube TV is a great option for this feature. Just check your streaming app for these options. And there you have it. With a few simple steps, you can set up recording on your smart TV and never miss out on your favorite movies and shows again. Just a quick tip. Make sure to regularly delete old recordings to free up space and always double-check the recording quality to ensure you're getting the best experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Until next time, enjoy your TV and happy recording.